Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today we're in the data center and there's a big box on the makeshift table back here. I got a present from my long-time subscriber, Patreon and editor Cor Bon from the Netherlands, and he sent me a care package here. It's kind of funny because I was doing a collaboration with a Dutch couple that was living in Portugal, and I sent them a package, and then I got a package from Cor, who's also from the Netherlands but is living in the Netherlands. But thank you, Cor. But I thought, well, I have already opened it. It came on Christmas, so yeah, I needed a package, so I have seen what's in it, so it's no surprise to me. But I think you'll be surprised, and he has really put some thought into this. So yeah, that's what this video is gonna be about, mystery unboxing. So here is the box, and that's my shipping address. You don't have to turn the box upside down to read that, because it's under the About tab on my YouTube channel if you want to ship me something. I do encourage people to email me first, because I very much want to make sure that you're not wasting your money in shipping if it's something that I can't really use or already have, or yeah, you kind of probably know. But I do like surprise packages, and this one was a surprise, even though there came this is shipped with UPS, and there was an email from UPS that something was on its way, and well, then Cor also said that something was on its way. First, it's a box in a box. I don't know why he did that, but it is. Can we get that out? So we get the white box out of here, and then we have another box to open. And on top of, I thought this was really weird when I opened it up. It was full of envelopes, unused shipping envelopes. I thought, why have he shipped me a total box of shipping envelopes? But there was a note here. It tells us about everything that is in this box, and yeah, it's much more fun to show it. So there is a lot of these envelopes, and it turns out that he has used these unused envelopes as packing material, and he says in the letter that I can use them for my my Playhouse shop. So I'm gonna do that. These are expensive if you need them to buy them, especially if you buy them in Denmark. I usually get a shipment from China, and I just order some of these, and that's way cheaper. But then we get into the good stuff, and first thing we see is an Intel solid state drive. Let's get this out of the back packing. Oh, where? There. Tape. I really need an unboxing knife. I think I said that before. Screwdriver. Flat side. Ah. There we are. The other one. Here it is. Intel solid state drive 750 series. Doesn't actually, oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Glasses. Okay, this is a Intel SSD 750 series, and it's a 400 gigabyte solid state drive with a PCI Express slot. He says in the letter that these are good, so I don't know why he's sending me them, but maybe he has gotten some bigger ones. But it looks like everything is soldered to the system board here, and then there is a huge heatsink on top of that. So cool. But as this is server stuff, there's a redundant solution. There's another one. So yeah, but it's exactly the same thing. It's also a 400 gigabyte. Oh, you can't see that. Maybe you can when the light is just right. Okay, 400 gigabyte solid state drive. Cool. Let's get some specs on those. Okay, so I've cheated and I went to the computer and I printed out the spec sheets from these. So they are from 2015, second quarter. They have 20 nanometer It's probably the chip architecture. Read speed of 2200 megabytes and write speed of 900 megabytes. Power active 12 watts, power idle 4 watts, and then there is a lot of more stuff. Vibration, operation, vibration, non-operation. I have no idea what 2.17 vibration means. But another important thing is endurance rate lifetime writes, and that is 70 gigabytes per day. That is not a lot. The normal thing nowadays is that you at least can write the entire size of the drive every day. So you should be able to write 400 gigabytes on this one every day for the expected lifetime of it, which is probably just about the warranty time, which is 5 years. So actually it just ran out of warranty last year, which is kind of cool. Mean time between failures, 1.2 million hours. Easy enough for them to say. The interface is PCIe 3.0 and it uses 4 lanes. NVMe. Awesome. Cool. Thank you, Core. Then Core has sent me a tray for SSD. Hewlett-Packard tray, which has been used for a 1.92 terabyte SSD. Thank you, Core. Core says that he doesn't have any Hewlett-Packard equipment, so I can have the tray. Very nice of him. Then there is some more packing material, more envelopes. Thank you. That's quite a lot of those. I'm not gonna have to buy those for a while. Then he's sending some hard drives that he has issues with, and this is something that we have seen before. These are hard drives from an IBM enclosure. They are nothing special. They're actually Hitachi drives, but he has difficulties seeing them in Windows, and I think it might be because they're specially formatted. I think they have come up with some new tricks in the sleeves to make it difficult to reuse this stuff. And from what I could understand in some of the comments is that nowadays they format them to 520 bits, but they show up as 512 bits, and that messes everything up. So if you put them in a Windows system, it will show up, but as soon as you try to use them for anything, well, they're gonna mess up. But 300 gigabyte SSD. So at some point we need to play with those. Oh, these must have been so expensive at some point. Really nice ones too. So yeah, very cool IBM SSDs. So now the package is almost empty, except there's a lot more packing material, and the last exciting thing is yet to come. So Core has sent me a lamp. And it's not a regular lamp. Well, it is a regular lamp, but it has a special feature. It can swivel, it can turn around, and it can you do this? It can do this. So yeah, you can put it in the ceiling and it will be flat, and then it can swivel down and put the light in a special area. And I thought that was really neat. Core suggested that I could use it in the creepy basement, but I really think that I needed more out here in the data center. Here in the data center I only have this fluorescent light up here just overhead, and if we go over here I have the window to the garden, and that gives a very nice light right now, but very often it's pitch black when I'm recording videos out here, or sometimes it is. So I thought maybe that light would do very good job right up there, and I think there might be enough hole. I will have to test that, try and drill a tiny hole in the ceiling and stick something up there and make sure that there's room enough for this, because it needs something on the back here. That's quite a distance for it to do that. So, and it comes with a power supply and stuff. Another thing that we need to make sure is that it doesn't flicker, so that all my videos is going to be too ready for Netflix. But luckily that is very easy to test, because there's the connection right here. and the lamp is right there, and this converts it from 230 volts to what does it convert it to? 36 volts. That is a weird voltage, but there's a lot of wire here, so that is cool enough. Let's try and connect this. I think I have a plug on this on the floor that we can use. This is for the fan outside. Is it flickering? Seems very clean. I can't see anything on the monitor that should suggest that it's not fine. So let's see if we are filming that way. And the lights are over here. Oh, the wire is a bit too short to this. It will actually do a good job. I think that's a plan. Oh, I forgot to show something. Where can I hold there? It goes down like that, but it also goes around. So I think it's very cool studio lights. Definitely need the big hole drill though. Oh, and maybe this thing, that's kind of mess it up when you do that. That is very cool. I like it. Now there's a couple of clips that will hold it in place. So I just made the thumbnail for the video, and this is a lot of awesome stuff which is gonna give me something to play with in the next videos. So thank you very much. If you need something for to play with here at Christmas, do go check out my little store and see if well, it's in the link in the description. See if there's something that I have that you might need. I would very much like to clean up out here. It's an ongoing process, but if I don't have what you need, you might want to go and check out Bargain Hardware. They might just exactly have what you need, and you can use my checkout code here, and well, everything will be good, right? Maybe. So, oh, there was even one more. So, a bit of a shorter video. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again, and have a really nice day. Bye bye.